front of the truck, it's that distinctive Peterbilt look, right? We've got the aluminum surround, stainless steel grill, and you can see, like I mentioned previously, we brought back a rectangular grill pack. And I think most importantly about it, the stainless steel. That makes sure that the truck, the heart of the truck, is protected throughout its life. The engine and cooling module is the same as our previous 389, so customers can easily transition into this product and not expect any performance degradation as they move to the new model. Another key factor that you see in our traditional model is our fender supports. You can see here. And I think what's unique about the 589 is we've incorporated the daytime running lights here. All of these daytime running lights provide our customers a lot of functional value, but it's a cool look, a very distinct thing as you drive down the road. That's a key thing we found as we talked to these customers about this product. They want people to see them on the road. They want them to know they're in a Peterbilt, and this is just another characteristic of the hood. The hood is all aluminum. We carried that through the new model. Okay? We spent a lot of time, you've heard this, we spent a lot of time talking to customers, understanding what are the core values of the truck, and that's what we carried through. And the aluminum hood was one of those. You know, one of the things customers said is, this truck is going to be out working for a long time. Not just the first customer, not the second, but often the third, fourth. They'll be out there for decades. And the aluminum hood is one of the things that allows this truck to be out there for that long. And they're going to get damaged. That's what trucks do. They will get damaged. The beauty about aluminum is that that damage won't put you down on the side of the road. If it was to get banged up, and you have to, you can use a mallet, put it back into place, continue your job, get your job done, and then later when you want to replace it, the multiple piece design using the hub bolts allows a person to easily cut any panel away, replace it. That reduces the cost of the overall cost of the truck and the life cycle cost of the truck. In addition, aluminum also, it's a part of a core characteristic of Peterbilt being a lightweight product for our customers. As you work your way back on the truck, obviously you notice the cowl-mounted air cleaners. That was a big challenge on this truck, right? With the width laws, achieving a 15-inch diameter stainless steel air cleaner on the cowl and still meeting regulations was a significant challenge which the team overcome. One of the great values of this is it's easy access with a simple quarter turn, remove the top, and service the air cleaner. That's one of the, again, key values and core characteristics of the Peterbilt product and our traditional product, simple maintenance. Now I think as you keep going on, this is really where you're going to see the difference. The aluminum cab. We maintain the aluminum cab, and as we said, it's a wider cab, more spacious cab for the driver. And that's, as you get in, you will see how roomy it is. And it provides some key comforts to the customer. Visibility. Almost 50% more visibility out of this cab than our current 389. You'll see that with the larger windows as well as the larger mirrors. What's great about that is that's driver comfort and safety. The more comfortable the driver is behind the wheel because they can see what's around them, the more productive they are and the more safe they are. Also, the pedal package in the vehicle has been redesigned. Again, adding comfort to the driver. Through the accelerator, the brake, and you have manual transmission. The clutch is easier to operate. And then finally, the noise. This is a quiet cab. This is a solid aluminum construction that has been designed for severe service. Every vehicle out there is designed for severe service application. That's durability, and that's also a noise benefit. So driving down the road, the drivers will be more comfortable because they'll be quieter. As you get in, you saw some of the features that Jake pointed out earlier about the aluminum and wood accents. And I think when you get in there, you will realize the benefit to our drivers as you can more easily move between the large cab and the sleeper. The opening between the two is significantly larger, making it very easy to get in and out, and ultimately makes your home away from home that much larger.